But please note, everything you get in this video is strictly for educational purposes and not intended as investment advice. So please do your own research. And also know that results are not typical. It's all dependent on your skills level and experience. So please take note. Hello there and welcome back to your favorite channel, and in this video we've got some quality information for you about forex trading. So if you're a beginner to forex trading, you know nothing about forex trading, this is the channel you want to stay glued to, because I'll take you from scratch to where you should be able to take trades all by yourself. Okay, so in today's video we're going to be looking at buying and selling in forex. So I'm going to break it down in part so that it won't be too lengthy for you. All right, so today we're going to be dealing with pending orders, or call them limit orders. So we're going to be dealing with buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. Those are pending orders, and we are going to be dealing with them on the mobile phone, so that with your smartphone you don't need to have a laptop to trade forex. Once you have your mobile phone, your smartphone, you can download any trading app on your phone and you're able to connect with any broker of your choice and trade to win. So let's go. All right, so I'm using the Xness broker app here. You can download it on Google Play Store. All right, so what you just do here is, let me guide you on how I got here so that you won't be lost. So let me go back. All right, so when you log into your account, you can see this is a demo account. Okay, this is a demo account. Now if you see here, you can see open, that means there are no open trades here right now. Pending, there are no open pending trades. Closed, there's a closed trade. You can see two closed trades here. All right, okay, this one is BTC, the other one is a US 30. That's US 30. Okay, so now to take a trade, you just tap on trade. You can see the candle like image there, so you tap there, so you choose the instrument you want. I opened GBP USD before. All right, so at this point we are not checking to know whether it's uptrend or downtrend, so we're just taking trades, right? So I want to first deal with the buy side of trading, right? So, and you remember we are taking care of penny orders today, so I tap on buy. So here you are. You see, when you tap on buy, you have three options here. You have market order, which is instant execution. You have buy limits. You have buy stop. So inside of that's under the buy section. So we'll deal with this today. Okay, so today we are buying. All right, and it's limit pending orders. Okay, let's deal with all three buying types. Instant execution. So for instant execution, first you choose your volume. For example, here is 0.01. I can decide to increase the volume to any amount. I can decide to even make it 1.0, or you can just type here delete, type 1, and it's 1.2 now, so I can delete this to make it 1.00. That's lot size. And then take profits, I want to set the take profit to be except I want to set it by in pips, so I set it in pips. So let's set it at 30 pips. You get that? So then we'll see set stop loss. Let's set it in pips too. It makes it easier for you so that you don't go and start calculating. So we'll do 20 pips. All right, so and now we do instant execution. So confirm buy, I will buy. All right, so it's on now. Okay, all right, so we're going to check it later on, but let's do the next order type, which is buy limits. So now what is buy limits? Buy limit order is an order you place below the current price, all right, in the hope that in the future the current price will come down and pick it and continue going up. Now you do that in a bullish trend, or in a market that is see that is bullish. Okay, when you say the market is bullish, we are still dealing with forex. There's a video we're going to be dealing with forex terms, but when you say the market is bullish, it means that it's going up. All right, it is comprised of series of higher highs and higher lows. So you think that is bullish, so but with the price where it is at is too high for you to enter, so you believe that it's going to still retrace, come down before it continues going up, so you use buy limit order. All right, so let me quickly place that. still using the same volume. This time around, we feel that it may come down by 10 pips before, or 20 pips before it keeps or kicks up. So we are going to set it, okay, at the price. So this 20 pips now, we are going to be deducting. Now if you look at this 1.29767, now this is 5 digits, so we'll be working with the 4 digits here. Ignore the seventh digit here. So we are dealing with it at 15 pips. So let's say it's going to come down by 15 pips before it goes up. All right, so you just set it at, just deduct 15 from 76 here, 1.2976, deduct 15 from it. So if you remove 5 from 6, you have 1. So if you remove 1 from 7, you have 6. So you now have 1.6 and 1. Okay, all right, so now take profit. You want it to be 20 pips, so it's just set 20 pips or 30 pips. Okay, let it be 30 pips, while stop loss will be 20 pips. All right, okay, so you now place it. All right, so it is placed. The next order type under the buy is the buy stop. Now for buy stop, the market is in a bullish trend, right? And currently where it's trading at, you are not, or yes, where it's trading at, you are not sure is going to start rising immediately. So there's a say a barrier called resistance above that price, current price, and for you to really confirm that that market has really become bullish or has resumed the bullish momentum, so it has to break that resistance for you to accept that to enter. So you now work out, okay, maybe the resistance level is at maybe 10 pips away above the current price. You can now say, okay, if it breaks it by 5 pips, that means 10 pips plus 5, making it 15 pips. Then it will pick your buy stop order and then continues going up. That's how you determine buy stop. So to do that, see current price at 1.29771, right? So we now say, okay, let's add 15 pips to it. So if you add 15 pips to 1.2977, you have, if you just add 5 to 7 here, you have 12. So you're 2 1 now, take 1, add it to 7 here, you have 8 plus 1, that's 9. So you have 1.29921. So we have to 29921. All right, stop loss, of course, we set it at 30 pips. Stop loss, take profit 30 pips, stop loss 20 pips, because we fixed it already. So you just tap enter. All right, so that's how it's done. So now let's go over and check the orders you have placed now. Okay, so you can see here, if you just go over here, account, so you can see pending order. You can see the two pending orders we have set here, the buy stop, the buy limit. Then you can see the open order. This is the buy order. Currently it's at okay, you can see it's going up now. All right, so it's at minus 16, minus 15, minus 10. You can see that. So as it's going up now, remember that when you place this order, initially your order starts with a negative balance, negative P&L. Why? Because of what is called the spread, and that is where the broker makes his money from. That's more like the fee you pay. Okay, so and that is how to place buy stop, buy limit, and buy market order. All right, you want to give this video a like. All right, you want to comment, leave a question in the comments, share the video, and please subscribe. And let's see in the next. Thank you, and God bless you.